2021 Lexus ES 300H. USA ES 300H, 19 to 24. It is going to be a smart key. We are adding a key. Here's his existing key. Here's my new one. I like to take these out of the shell to program them. Just seems to work better. Control unit, keyless system, add a smart key. Ignition is already on. Yes. So we're going to need a rolling code for this one. You can get this from a third-party supplier, but we have TIS, so I can do this myself. I'm gonna get the data lines out of here to do that. No, because I have a key. There is my data line, so I'm going to take a picture of that, get my rolling code, and I will be back. Alright, I've got my rolling code. It's very important to leave the car in the same state you left it. Whatever Autel told you to leave it in, ignition off, blinkers on, it's got to be left in that same state while you are getting the rolling code. Okay. Alright, hold his key up. One beep. My key up. 2 beeps, meaning we are good to go. And I actually generated a key DIY key because I got in the car and realized I didn't have the right buttons on my key. So this is why you carry whatever universals you guys have. Key DIY, X-Force, keep a bunch of them. Keep you from being out in the middle of nowhere and not having the right key for a car. Ignition on. Okay. Learn smart key. And we should be good to go. This is my key. That was lock, unlock, lock. Hold his out. Car starts. This is a hybrid, so it's pretty quiet, but we are good to go. So that was a 2021 Lexus ES 300H. It was a FBF key DIY key I use on the IM608. Alright, that same Lexus, we're gonna, oh, this is a good one. Cut the emergency key. It is on the driver's door lock. Code, this is going to be an 80K, and this one's going to be a little bit hard to see. You're probably going to have to get a picture of this one because this lock doesn't actually come all the way out because of the how this door handle is made. What you do is pull the handle out, get the lock as far as you can, and I believe this one's on the bottom, which makes it worse. Really hard to see this one. You can airbag this door handle just to get it to stay out. It's a little bit easier, but airbag's in the van, and I am here. Come on. Yeah, this one's for a sec. Actually, you know what? I'm going to duplicate his. Cancel this video. We're going to duplicate his key. So this is the emergency key on the Lexus 21 ES 300H. It is, because of the shape of that door handle, you can't actually pull the lock all the way out, and from experience I know it's very hard to see, even if you can get it out far enough to see the code. So I'm going to duplicate this one on the X-Horse high security duplicator. It's a great machine to have. And it's just a manual duplicator. Just got to really make sure on this key not to go through that point in the Lexus 80K security keys. But this key, like the Subaru one-sided high security key, any high security key, as long as you have this thing calibrated right, you can rip keys off of this thing no problem. So you turn it on, and you have to make sure you're calibrated first. You're going to touch this a couple different places, make sure they both line up, make sure it's good on the key and next to it. Turn the dial whichever way it says if you're a little off up here. I don't know that I can record and do this at the same time, but we'll see. That looks good to me. Boom, done. And like I said, with how hard it is to get this lock out, it's just, if you've got one duplicated, it's just easier.